Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to create a buffer zone using ArcGIS. So first, what is buffer? You can see in this image that a buffer is a zone or area created around a feature. Like I create a buffer of a river which is linear feature. So it helps us to analyze nearby areas and understand spatial relationship. For example, in this image you can see that I create a buffer of 1 km by 1 km beside the river. So what will be the result? So we understand that if there happen any flood and any other type of damages, so we can understood that how much area will be affected by the flood and other hazard. So this is the concept of buffer. Now, so we understood step by step. So the step 1, open your ArcGIS and go to the add data. Okay, and then add the shapefile on which you want to create the buffer. So I add the shapefile here, and now go for the step 2. First I add the shapefile. Okay, so the step 2, go to the symbol selector and for better visualization of the shapefile and make the polygon hollow so that the buffer area can be seen clearly. Okay, now go to the arc toolbox, then analysis tool, and then proximity. So what is proximity? Proximity is the tools which is used for measure the distance and analysis how close the feature is to another feature. So after proximity we go to the buffer and double click on buffer and open a window where we can see that first of all give the input feature which is the polygon. Okay, means which study area I give from the file folder. Now give the output file or output feature class, give a name. I give a Susunia study area export buff. Okay, now go to the linear unit which is kilometer. I select here kilometer. I give 1. Okay, here you can give 2, 3, 5, 7. How much buffer you can do, you want to do. Okay, so 1 kilometer I select here and go to the method is planar. I select planar because it showing a good buffer if I select planar. Now go to the dissolve type. Okay, now dissolve type, in dissolve type I select list. Why list? Now because of if we select the list, if we want to merge or dissolve buffer areas based on the specific attribute or fields, all field value, that's why we select the list. Okay, now okay, so you can see the buffer is ready. Now go to the symbol selector of the buffer and select hollow. Okay, now you can see the buffer zone is ready, which is 1 kilometer besides around all the study area. So tata, bye bye, take care, be unique, stay tuned. For more video you can subscribe my channel. Bye.